Hi there everyone, this is Jake Rodriguez Pomperada from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental Philippines. In this tutorial video, we will learn how to write a Hello World program using JavaScript. JavaScript is one of the most very popular programming language. Sometimes it is called a scripting language around the world. It is used primarily for web development and design, and then it has a variety of applications and making web pages, websites, hybrid application in mobile phone with integrates web applications integrate in a mobile development. So before we start, if you like this video tutorial, please leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorials. So let's get started. So we are already here in our text editor. I'm using Sublime as my text editor, so we can start writing HTML tag. Okay, HTML, let us save so that we can just continue working, no? Index.html by Control S in Sublime, and then we have here the head. We can have here title, my first, the name of our program, my first JavaScript program slash title, and then we can have here head, and then we can have here body, and then in the body section of our program we can declare a script. So maybe we can have here header 2 align equals center. Now we can make here a title, no? So my first JavaScript program, and then we terminate with /h2, and then here we can have script type equals, that will follow text /JavaScript, close, and then we can have here document to display the output on the web page, right? We can have here header 1 align equals center, close. We can have here hello world in JavaScript. Header 1. So we terminate the statement by having a semicolon, and then we have here close of the script, and then we have here /body, and then /HTML. Now let us save again. So we have here the declaration of our head of our HTML, header 2, the title of our JavaScript, my first JavaScript program, and then we are declaring the script. Take note, the script should be in the body of your HTML, or else it will not execute or run properly. And then we terminate with /script. So we will open the file. Okay, let us go with our folder JavaScript. Right click, open with Firefox. Okay, so we have the result. My first JavaScript program, hello world in JavaScript. So let us go back to our editor. So as we can see, no, the script statement text JavaScript, and then the document write hello world in JavaScript, so it displays correctly as we expected. Now if we can add something, let's say for example exclamation point, 3 exclamation point, save, Control S. What we can do in JavaScript is we can just refresh the browser in Mozilla Firefox. Let us refresh. Okay, so we have already a hello world program in JavaScript. We have done already, guys. Now JavaScript is one of the most easiest programming language to be learned, and it is a very essential to any aspiring web developer or software engineers that specialize in web development to be comfortable and knowledgeable in this programming language. Before we end, if you like this video tutorial, please click the like button, leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial, and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorials. So this is Jake Rodriguez Pomperada from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental Philippines. Thank you very much, guys, for watching. Until to the next tutorial video, bye bye for now.